And bringing us to 14, a company manufactures and sells bookcases. Selling price is $54.90 per bookcase. And the cost is $50,000 for 2,000 bookcases and $32,120 for 800 bookcases. So the last one is a bit of a doozy. It looks like we need to find the break-even point for this company, and we also need to explain, find and interpret the marginal cost, revenue, and profit. And so it doesn't say anything about a profit function, so I'm not going to worry about that. We are going to look for a revenue function, and we are going to look for a cost function. So the selling price is $54.90 per bookcase, and so that's going to be our revenue. And then for cost, it looks like we have a bit of a mess. We are given 2 points, so we need to use point slope form to find our cost function. And so for point slope form, as we've done before, we're going to start with our slope, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's get our points slung out here so we can deal with them. And it looks like our points are going to be 2,000 with 50,000. Let's see, where's a good point? 2,000 with 50,000. And 800 with 32,120. And so we will label these x1, y1, x2, y2. And we can go ahead and get that going in the slope formula up there. So y2 minus y1, you put my minus signs first. We got 32,120 minus 50,000. And x2 minus x1 is 800 minus 2,000. I am definitely going to give that one to Wolfram and see what it's got for me here. And x2 minus x1 is 800 minus 2,000. So what I get when I give that to Wolfram, everyone, is 149 over 10, or in decimal form, 14.9. I will go with the decimal form of 14.9 in this case. And so our cost function can be written as y minus our y1 is 50,000 is equal to our slope, which is 14.9 times, and I need to move some stuff around here a little bit to give myself some more room. That was pretty sick right there, wasn't it? Okay. And so we did for x minus x1, so x minus 2,000. I do not like that cost function, so I'm going to give that to Wolfram and take an alternate form. So we've got y minus 50,000 is equal to 14.9 times x minus 2,000. The alternate form I get is going to be y equals 14.9 x plus 20,200. And so again, both of those cost functions are equivalent. I just prefer the one that looks like c equals 14.9x plus 20,200 over the other. And so with that, what we need to do now, since we don't need a profit function for this problem, we are going to set revenue equal to cost. And so revenue is equal to cost. That will tell us when we break even. We get 54.90. Oops, and I forgot the x on there. 54.90x is equal to 14.9x plus 20,200. Okay. Giving that one to Wolfram for sure. So we've got 54.90x is equal to 14.9x plus 20,200. we get 505. So this company needs to produce 505 bookcases to break even. Produce and sell 505 bookcases to break even. And then part B, everyone, I will go ahead and pause this and be back with an explanation of the marginal revenue, marginal cost, and marginal profit in just a moment. So after all that, it did turn out that I needed a profit function after all. And so our marginal cost is $14.90, meaning that each bookcase costs $14.90 to make. Marginal revenue is $54.90, meaning that selling each bookcase brings in $54.90. And the one that we care about the most, profit, marginal profit is $40, which means that after breaking even, the company makes a profit of $40 for each bookcase. And that's it for this homework assignment, folks. Kind of a long one. I will try to keep them shorter following this one.